I would very strongly say you have to take responsibility for your own growth as well. You need to be the person to ask for help. You need to find a good mentor, and you need to be always willing and wanting to look out for the opportunities and take them when they come.
I get to mentor a lot of people in Veeam, which I really enjoy. And one thing that a topic comes up all the time is working on your personal brand. What do you portray yourself as? What do other people see you? And then how to work on that brand. The other piece I think about, especially young people, I say to them, keep doors open. Don't focus on that job or that title. Be great at everything you can do. And at Veeam, because we're growing so fast, great opportunities will come along. So personal brand and keep doors open.